Hello, and welcome to ProTech. Today we'd like to share a video sent to us from Joshua Hawker on how to recharge your AC with R134A refrigerant. Let's take a look.
Hi everyone, my name is Joshua, and I have a quick fix that I need for my van that I thought I'd just share with all of you. Lately, my van has only been putting out hot air when I turn the air conditioning on. It's so hot! So I need to fix that. There's something going on with the air conditioning system. It's probably just a small leak that I can postpone taking to the mechanic by putting a little more refrigerant in. So I'm going to do that. I've got a can of R-134A, which is the refrigerant most vehicles now take. Before you do this, you definitely want to check to make sure that you don't have an older vehicle that takes something different. And this one's nice because it's got a gauge and a little thing on it. So here we go. We're going to refill the AC on this van. The first step you're going to want to take is to start the engine and turn your AC on as full as you possibly can. Gosh, that's such hot air right now. Then you're going to want to pop the hood. You're going to want to locate your valves. Usually the air conditioning system has two valves, a big valve, and down here is actually a small valve. Oftentimes the lid will have an L printed on it. That's the one you want. You want the small one with the L. It'll reveal a port just like that. That's our AC fill valve. At this point, I'd recommend getting safety equipment, goggles, and a pair of gloves. I'm going to do that now. And then we're going to get our refrigerant, hook it up, and fill this up. It's pretty simple. So you take your can of refrigerant and attach the nozzle, attach the hose to your port down there below. Once you're secure, you can go ahead and fill up your AC. And you want to fill it until it gets into the green area. So you press down on the trigger and you watch your dial. And you just fill it until you get back into the green area. We're almost there. And we're back in the green, we're good. So we filled it up. Once you fill it up, you're going to want to cap that port off again. Let's go inside and check it out. And inside, you should be able to feel the difference. Nice cold AC coming right out at me. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helped you, and good luck.